Assalamu alaikum dear children. Today we are going to learn about vowel sounds. Let's learn about vowel sounds a, e, o, e. Each vowel make two sounds, long vowel sounds and short vowel sound. Vowel sound a with long vowel sound baby, table, train. Short vowel sound apple, cat, bed. Vowel sound e. Long vowel sound eel, eagle, key. Short vowel sound elbow, elephant, pen. Vowel sound e. Long vowel sound ice cream, iron, bike. Short vowel sound ink, bin, tin. Vowel sound o. Long vowel sound nose, goat, window. Short vowel sound all, orange, octopus. Vowel sound a. Long vowel sound unity, universe, cube. Short vowel sound umbrella, uncle, sun. Thank you.